Hey there, in this short JavaScript tutorial, we're going to create a function that subtracts all elements in an array. Imagine lining up numbers and subtracting them one after the other from left to right. It is a great way to learn more about arrays, loops, and basic type checking. Let's see how we can write this in a clean, efficient JavaScript. Let's break this down with an example. Say we have the array 7, 3, 2, and -1. We start with the first number, which is 7. Then we subtract 3, then 2, and finally subtract 1, which is like adding 1. That gives us the final result, which is 3. Now, let's take a look at the code that makes this happen. Here's the full function. We first check if the input is actually an array. This avoids runtime errors. Next, we initialize a tool variable with the first value in the array. Then, we loop through the rest of the array and subtract each number from that total. If we run into anything that is not a number, we return false to keep things safe. It is a solid example of combining input validation with clean looping logic. The logic follows a simple pipeline. We start by checking the type. If it's not an array, we exit early. Then, we take the first number as our running total. Each subsequent value gets subtracted from this total in a loop. Once the loop finishes, we return the final number as our result. It is clean, predictable, and very readable. Let's walk through a few examples. With the array of 7, 3, 2, and -1, we perform each subtraction in order to get 3. In the array of 10, 5, and 2, it slows down to 3 again. But if we pass in something like a string, the function safely returns false. It is always good to see how your function behaves with both valid and invalid inputs. Subtracting elements in an array has some practical uses too. Think of financial calculations, like subtracting expenses from income or tracking items in inventory systems. Plus, it's just a great example to get comfortable with loops, conditionals, and input safety in JavaScript. Let's wrap this up with a quick recap. Alright, we've written a neat little function that subtracts each element in an array from the one before it. We've built in type checks and safety measures to keep it reliable. It is simple, but it teaches a lot about how to handle loops and real-world data. Hope you found this useful. I'll catch you in the next JavaScript breakdown. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.